Hi, you're with me again, Janine, Change for Success, and welcome to this short tapping video. So today we're going to work on exam stress. Stress of exams can be huge. It can really affect our confidence and our ability to concentrate. So today's tapping video is going to help you with that. I want you to tap along with me, tap along on the points and look at, how exam stress is affecting you. Is it affecting your stress levels, ability to concentrate, whatever that looks like? And we're going to work on that today. And we're going to help you feel in a more relaxed space. We're going to help you feel more confident and self-assured. Okay. So have a think for me about how that exam stress is affecting you. And we're going to work on getting you to the space where you feel good, you feel confident, and you feel like you're going to really smash that exam. Okay, so just start kind of tapping on the side of the hand for me. Just kind of notice how you feel. There's maybe a lot of nerves, anxiety, a lot of worry, tension, and we're going to help you kind of let go of this today. So just tap along with me and just kind of notice how that feels for the moment, and we'll get going with this. So even though I've got all this exam stress and I'm really nervous and worried, I choose to accept me now anyway. All these nerves and anxieties, all this exam stress, I just want to be able to let it all go. And instead, I choose to accept me now anyway. All these worries, all these anxieties, all these nerves, what if I could just let that all go? And instead, I choose to love and accept me now anyway. It's great tapping on the points. So I'm just feeling really nervous, really anxious. Keep thinking about this exam. I'm really dreading this exam. I just want to be able to get it out the way. I want to be able to pass with flying colours. But I keep focusing on all these nerves, all this anxiety, all this tension, and I can feel that in my body. Just feeling so nervous. What if it all goes wrong? What if I forget some of the stuff I've learned? What if I don't know some of the questions? All these anxieties, all these things that I keep going over. It just feels so nerve-wracking. What if I could let that all go? All this anxiety. It's on my mind all the time. I keep losing sleep over it. And I'm just feeling so worried. But I have been learning what I need to learn. I've been learning this topic for a while now. Maybe I do know a lot more than I realise. But I just feel so anxious. I can't wait to get it all out of the way. But I've been learning so much. Been doing all my revision. Maybe I know a lot more than I realise. Maybe it'd be easy to get it down on the day. But I just worry that I might go blank. Just feeling all this anxiety. What if I could just let that all go? Tapping into feelings of clarity. Tapping into feelings of confidence. Tapping into feelings of success. I've got this. What if I could choose to know that I can do this? What if I could just let all these anxieties go? Instead, choosing to feel more calm and relaxed. Choosing to feel in a better space. I've got this. What if I could know that I could just let go? All this revision that I've done, all this time that I've put in. Maybe I know a lot more than I'm letting on. Maybe I know a lot more than I realise. So I'm letting go all this stress, all this anxiety, choosing to feel more calm and relaxed, tapping into feelings of clarity and self-assurance. What if I could let go of the worries and replace them with feelings of confidence? Maybe I'm going to smash this exam. Maybe I'm going to pass with flying colours. What if I could choose to let go all those old anxieties, tapping into feelings of confidence, clarity, success. I know this stuff. Been practicing it for months. So I'm choosing to let go all these anxieties and worries within every single cell in my body. It's great. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. Excellent. Well done for staying till the end. Just checking with how you're feeling. You're going to smash this exam, honestly. We get into this worry and this fear, but look at all what you've learned, all that you can apply. Get there on the day. Do a bit of tapping for the exam. You're going to smash it. Let me know how you get on. Take care. Bye.